We are not sailing currently. We are in winter layup. But this morning for breakfast, every day I make a different breakfast sandwich. And I made this the other day and they really liked it, so I'm gonna make it today and I thought I would share it with you. So I baked some croissants yesterday and offered them as my baked items, but I made extra so that I would have some this morning. These are the shapes. I have these nice chafing dishes that are the perfect shape to go with the croissant. One of my crew members, he likes his eggs in the English muffin, so I'm doing the round ramekin for him. And then the other ones I'm doing for the croissant sandwich. Make sure you spray them because they will stick like glue and it won't be such a fun experience. This ship does not have a steamer, so I make my own. So I put it in a pan with a little bit of water, and then I'm going to cover it with foil wrap. Make sure you make a tight seal, and then you have your steamer. And we're going to steam the eggs. So I just put the pan in and it's going to steam. The muffins are still cooking, and on the top shelf I'm going to put the bacon. So I just took the eggs out. I took them out 5 minutes ago to check and they needed a little bit longer. So now they're perfect. I've got the round ones for the English muffin and then I have the other ones for the croissants. Okay, so these are steamed, they're well done, and look how easy they are to come out. You just have to hit, and ta-da! There's our egg, and I'm going to put it into the croissant. And remember I did one of these in a ramekin to go on the English muffin. Same thing, with a little encouragement.
And a knife, maybe?
There he is.
There.
Okay, so there we have the steamed eggs and the croissant sandwich, shaped like the croissant, or the egg muffin. So these are really good. Have a great day.
Is time for breakfast.